This pasta recipe is for keeps if you love something that's creamy and spicy at the same time. Cajun chicken pasta. Let's start cooking. So I have my pot of boiling water and importante, pasta. Dapat alat-alat talaga yung tubig. Kasi a lot of people, when they cook pasta, natatakot sila mag-asin. But the problem is, malasa yung sauce. But when you eat the pasta, hindi siya satisfying kasi walang lasa yung noodles. So importante, maalat yung inyong water para yung pasta mo magkalasa. So when you eat the sauce and you eat the pasta, balance siya. Hindi yung maalat yung sauce, then sobrang tabang naman yung noodles. And I will start also my sauce by seasoning my chicken. So pepper, mix, mix, mix. Let that rest, let that sit. And combination of oil and bata. First, I will saute my garlic hanggang bumango yung ating garlic. Then, ating sibuyas. I'm using white onions. And I will add my mushrooms. I'm just using sliced mushrooms, canned mushrooms, konti lang. Now, I will add my chicken. Luto yung chicken. Lalagyan natin siya ng ating special spice, ang ating Cajun spice mix, which you can buy in your grocery na, no? And now is the time, di ba sabi ko gagawa tayo ng roux. Para lumapot yung ating sauce, I will add harina. Very important at this stage, we cook the flour para mawala yung hilaw na lasa. Ayaw natin ng hilaw na lasa ng ating harina, no? Hello mga Simpol! Don't forget to grab copies of my Simpol Cookbooks available on Lazada and Shopee in the Philippines and on Amazon internationally. Add to cart na. Now is the time that we will add our chicken stock. Now, you can use water, you can use a pasta water, but I'm using chicken stock. Creamy na yung ating sauce, very thick like a gravy. So now is the time we will add our cream. Yan, diba? Instead of adding more salt, I will just add Parmesan cheese. So kung wala kang Parmesan cheese, just add more salt. Pero Parmesan cheese, around 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. And add little bit more black pepper, freshly cracked black pepper. Patayin ko muna yung aking sauce kasi hindi pa luto yung aking noodles. I will add diced green and red bell peppers for a little bit of flavor and color. And our pasta noodles are almost done. So ito siya, about al dente. And I will just throw out. And now it's time to add my pasta to my very nice and spicy na sauce. Look at that, no? So ito siya, I have time for the pasta to cook a little bit more, no? So hindi lang siya halo-halo, but lulutuin ko pa siya para mas kumapit yung aking sauce. And my pasta is perfect. Let's make lipat it, di ba? Social. Yan. And we will top with more Parmesan cheese. Ito, pang-pasosyal ang ating chopped parsley. It's a very nice recipe that you will truly enjoy with your family. Can try this at home. Ating Cajun Chicken Pasta. Simple! Please like and share my videos. And if you like more recipes like this, please click here to subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell button to get notified. Simple!